Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Manny. I'm out in the fields. Yes. How are you guys doing this gorgeous day? Gorgeous, stunning.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular.
my battery being so low. Don't like that. How am I gonna vlog the house?
Boots the house down, mama, yes, God.
Anyways, you guys, so I'm actually currently heading over to the new place to get the keys. What? I'm gonna scream. Left at the next light? Okay, work, diva.
You better work and let him know, diva.
Oh my god, I can't turn left here. Clocked the house. Anyway, I am currently heading over to the new place and I'm so f***ing excited. I could actually scream. I'm about to get the keys and I'm gonna do like a little empty house tour for you guys to see the place. And I'm so excited. It kind of gives me, like the new place kind of gives me like really homey cottage energy. Like almost like, what's the word? Almost like, almost like a cabin in the woods. It kind of gives me cabin in the woods energy. So you guys are gonna see it and I'm really, really excited because I don't go camping. So this is like the farthest I'm gonna go camping ever. So I'll let you guys know when I get there and let's continue.
Use the left lane to make a U-turn.
Let me live. Let's walk in to my new humble abode. Okay, so I think this is like tile. This is like dark tile. I'm not exactly sure what this is called, but let's do a mini tour. So this is the first floor right here. We come over here and we have our first little room. Boom. Trees outside. It's a cottage. We have a room. We have carpet here. I'm not really a fan of the carpet. Hey, girly. Not a huge fan of the carpet. I mean, I do like the way it feels, of course. I just would like more of a light flooring, a light wood. I don't really love this either. But for now, here we are. You know what I'm saying? Here we are. So we're gonna go up these little baby steps. Oh, and a bathroom. There's a bathroom right here. Just an extra bathroom right here. Boom, boom, boom. Let's move right along onto our tour. And we're into the kitchen. We're in the kitchen now. So this kitchen, I do like this tile. It looks like wood, but it's actually tile. And there's some things I would like to change about this. The first immediate thing would definitely be the green tile backsplash. That kind of haunts me a little bit, but it's more cosmetic. So it's not as huge of a deal, right? Like it's like this, don't get me wrong, it's nice quality, like it's good, but I just don't love it. You know what I'm saying? It's well made and it's nice, I just might want to switch it out. You know what I mean? Like nice, like light wood with like the silver kind of hardware. It's nice, they're cute. I don't actually have a pantry in this house, which is a little jarring, but if it's just gonna be me, how much food do I really need? You know what I'm saying? I'm a Postmates girly, a DoorDash girly. So I feel like that'll be fine. So that's kind of the kitchen vibes. I feel like it just needs a couple cosmetic adjustments, but it'll get there. It will get there. Also, what's kind of cool is that down here, it's an AC unit, like down there. And literally like, you get airflow. Stunning. Anyway, let's move right along. Let's go on to the living space. Oh, it's massive, the acoustics. That needs to be wiped off. The acoustics in here are acousticing. Wow. Okay, cosmetic things that I want to change out are the wood. Not a huge fan. I also just don't like the jump between the like really light wood looking tile to like this, not that. I don't know what this would be called, this wood. But I do love the space in here. It's so massive. Cannot wait to, I'm probably gonna put like a TV up here. Look at that. Look at this. It's so cute. The lights, has to come down. That can't be there. That can't be there. But yeah, this is the vibe of the living room. So cool. Probably put the TV here, the couch here, like kind of against this wall like that, boom, boom. Probably a dining table here. It'll probably be like my dining / living area. That'll combine it, you know? So that's what that vibe's gonna be. It's very cool. It's very cool. The ceilings are super high. which I love. I've never really had a house that had high ceilings before. So this is my first one with the highest ceiling, and I love it. I love it.
No, I don't think you understand. I'm obsessed.
So let's move right on. Let's move right along in our tour. So that's basically the whole downstairs. We have one guest bedroom back there with the bathroom, kitchen, living room / dining area. And then of course we have a little balcony, or like the little, whatever this is called, the terrace in the back, a big ass backyard. Into the Woods, the musical. Okay, let's move right along. Moving to upstairs. So now we go like this, boom, into the staircase. And we have a carpet all upstairs, which, listen, I'm not a carpet girly, okay? I'm not a carpet girl, and I'll never be a carpet girl. I love the little accents of the house though. Like they have such cute little things going on, these wood accents throughout. So we have carpet, 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 a little sunroof, a globe. Moving right along. So let's get into the master. Ooh. Let me tell you something. This like top wood thing is so fucking cool to me. It's so cool. So this is the master room. My feet here. So we go out and it's boom, window, closet, and then this whole wall with, of course, the carpet. The carpet is good quality. I'm just not a carpet girl, because also Zay will fucking piss and shit on it. And I'm like, dude.
Don't do it.
So, also I like the lights, how like the light fixtures are on the walls. Look at that shit. Whoa! Fucking cool. So I love that. I think that's really cool. Dim. Okay, cool. So we have that. This is the master. Then we're moving right along into our closet. So this closet is actually much smaller than my closet now, but I feel like we're gonna be able to make it work. We have a lot of poles. I put shoes up here. I gotta downsize anyway, yo. I do. Cause I'm a hoarder. I'm a hoarder, dude. Like I'm a fucking hoarder. So I got to downsize. Like I have to. So the closet is actually adorable. It's still a nice walk-in closet. It's not super small. So I still like it. But I love the room. Cause I do feel like the room, the master, it's a really nice size. And that was one thing I was like, I need to have a decent sized master because I'm always in my room. I wanna put like a dresser here, you know? A dresser, a tall dresser here would be so fucking cute. I love it. So now let's move on to the bathroom. Moving on, right into it, we're going to the bathroom with this nice light tile. And this is the bathroom. Really cute wood accents, of course, that go out throughout the house. The shitter, there's the shitter.
Why does somebody not know how to flush a toilet after they've had a shit?
Oh, the lights. I'm gonna switch out the sconce. I got to like actually decor stuff. Okay, anyway. So now we have the shower, the bathroom with this gorgeous like marbling. Love it. Like the sink, a his and hers, a Jack and Jill. Or is it Jack and Jill? I don't know. It's a his and hers, which I don't need because I'm currently just a his. It's just me out here. Single spike, you know, just like living.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
So anyway, we have our bathroom. We have a tub. I'm not really a bath person, I'm not gonna lie. Not a bath girly myself, but it is an option. I can have bath bombs aligned here, you know? So this is the bathroom space for the master. I really like, honestly, the master is what really got me in this house because I love it. I think it's so cute. And I cannot wait to have like just like different accents to really kind of tie it together. Because all I have really so far is a bed, nightstands, a TV stand, and that's all I got so far. So I gotta keep on purchasing. What's cool too about this room, the master room, is that you unlock here, boom, right into the backyard. Right into the, oh, and there's the neighbor's house. I'm so sorry. But I think this is really cool that we have this little outdoor patio and then it goes right into the yard. What I'm thinking about doing, this is my idea, this is my vibe, this is my journey. Let me go back inside because it's hot out here. It's fucking hot. So what I wanna do, I wanna put a little outdoor like gate for Zaya to go out there. Like let's say if I open the door, she can just run out there, have her own little section that's kind of blocked off. So she can't like run into the backyard and fucking where I can't see her. I'll make it so I can actually, like a spot for her specifically. I'll have like faux grass, all this stuff so she gets her like little outdoor fantasy. It's just, I don't trust a big backyard with her. I don't trust it. I don't trust hawks, obviously. I don't trust coyotes. I don't trust no creature. Not a fucking creature in sight. So I'm just not as trusting. And Zaya's a little bitch. So she will get into a mess, into a disaster, you know? So that's why I don't trust her. I just don't. But yeah, so this is so far the master bedroom. I can't wait. I really want to do a room makeover. Like a room makeover video where I'm like doing a full decor into the house. So this is what it looks like for now, obviously. And then we will be decorating it, decorating it soon. Moving right along, let's go right along. Again, boom, right out of here, right into some more little steps into the, what is this called? Not a bathroom, a washroom, where you do like the laundry room. Can find the word. Under the light, we have our washroom. You know, we have a nice little canasto right here, a washer and dryer right here, detergent up in here. You know, we have a room. We have room for it. So now moving right along, boom, we have our first guest bedroom with the wood accents, as you guys can see. Woody. I am getting a woody just be. Let me stop. So this one is actually shockingly low to the floor, which is a little shocking. Like, look at me and look at the wood, you know? Boom, boom. I'm 6 feet tall, so the wood must be, the wood must be, that's like a whole ass 1.5 feet above me. Damn, dude, workout, dude. Anyway, so this is one of the guest bedrooms right here. Guest bedroom. This will definitely be the actual guest bedroom. Like, for example, whenever my mom or my dad or my brothers, anyone wants to stay at my place, this will be the guest bedroom. 100%. Because it's so low to like the ceiling, and I feel like this could be such a cute ass guest bedroom. Guest bedroom vibes. Kind of vibe. Guest bedroom. Oh, also, and this has another access to the back with another little cute patio thing. Very cute, very cute. It's giving cabin in the woods. Moving right along into this. We have a bathroom. A bathroom, un baño. Lights on. Boom, right from the carpet into this tile. Same kind of situation as the master, actually, where it's like a his and hers vibe. A shitter, a potty, and then we have a shower up in here. This is so unique. Unique! Come on, Beyonce, you better work. So this is really, really cool. Love the vibe. Love the vibe. So that's what this is. We have some drawers in here, so I can put like towels in, I'm assuming. You know, extra goodies, and then of course the wood accents, the warm wood and the light wood throughout. Moving along, now we have the last room of the house, which is gonna be my filming and beauty room. I'm so excited, and of course another door to the yard. Boom, the backyard it's a landscape, baby. You cannot tell me I'm not in Northern California, that I'm not in the Redwood Forest to the Gulf Street water. Okay, let me stop. But anyway, this is going to be my filming room and my beauty room / storage. So I'm probably gonna put a storage unit here to store my makeup in, filming, you know, maybe against this wall. I'm not exactly sure. I don't know what the layout's gonna be just yet. This needs to be covered because too much light coming in, but this is the side of it. Also, the windows up here are really cool. Love that it has like this little accent to it with the wood, the framing, obviously carpet. See, the thing is this carpet in this room has to go. Can you guys imagine a beauty room with carpet? Imagine things fall and how fucked up your carpet gets. Dude, it's so bad. Like, I've had carpet in beauty rooms before in my last house, and it was a disaster. My carpet was fucked. So this will probably have to get ripped out and do some nice light wood to kind of balance with this wood up here. So right into this, we have a closet, which will actually be my storage closet for like filming setup stuff. See, little closet. And honestly, even another closet to store clothes if I need more space. I'll have it. This is like a nice walk-in for an extra room. So I'm really, really stoked that I have more space over here. Wow. More space, more space. Carpet. I feel like I could keep carpet in here, but not in here. You gotta go, bastard. You're sick. You're sick. You're sick. Also, it's so hot in here because the AC wasn't on. So now I need this AC to turn the fuck on. I swear. I swear, because I get hot quick. So you guys, that is basically it for the empty house tour that I'm showing you guys on in this journey that we're on together. I'm so excited. Like truly, like this feels to me like such a home already. And obviously like I don't live here yet and it's not even furnished. Like everything is like kind of a barren wasteland, but it already gives me such homey energy. Look at this fucking, look at these windows up here. This is the guest bedroom. Look at that shit. Look up there. We need to figure out how to like get that shit covered because you're really waking up with the sun, aren't ya? Really waking up with the sun. Sometimes I don't want the sun. I want the moon instead. But I do feel like it really does feel so homey and so nice, and I'm excited for this new journey. I was nervous, very nervous. I was like, I'm never gonna find a place that I like as much as the one I'm in now, and I do feel like I found a spot that I genuinely like really love. I'm in the master again. That I really love, and it's a lot closer to me. Cause I lived, by the way, now that I like don't live there, I lived in Santa Clarita for a really, really long time. So that's kind of when I always say like, oh, I'm in the boonies. I'm like out in the like outskirts of LA, because it's still technically Los Angeles County, but living in Santa Clarita is so fucking far. It is so far. And it was always like 45 minutes, 50 minutes away from everything all the time. And I was always driving to everything. And you just get over it. You get tired of it. I did. I know I fucking did. Maybe I said, please, I can't drive this anymore. I just can't. I can't. So I'm just glad to be a little bit closer in comparison to where I was before, because I was in Santa Clarita. So let's go back downstairs. I'm stoked. And I hope you guys are ready to be on this journey. You know what, let me stand this up. Let me stand this bitch up. Hold on, I'm not a vlogger, you know that. I'm Manny in the fields. I just hope you guys are ready to jump on this journey with me, and I'm excited to like actually be able to furnish this place. It's gonna take a long time, obviously. Like there's so many things that need to be done, and so many things that need to be purchased and got and everything. But I feel like I'm gonna be able to make it my home this time in comparison to the last one where I bought all the furniture in it, and I'm stoked. And now you guys can like see where oh God, help me. And now you guys have seen the official empty house tour, so this is what it looks like. And I'll definitely have to furnish. Maybe I'll do like a series. Let me know if you guys like that. I have like a series per room situation where I do like decorating each room and kind of seeing how that goes. And maybe I'll ask friends to help me along the way for the decorating. I'm excited to do my room. The room I'm gonna do myself, like my own room. I'm gonna like, I don't even want any infiltration in my brain. I don't want anyone to tell me anything. I'm just gonna do what I wanna do, and I'm just gonna go with it and just kind of decorate my room. That's kind of why I wanna film it and show you guys the process of doing my room. But let me know if you guys are interested in that and seeing that. There's so much echo in here because there's no carpet downstairs to catch the sound, and there's no like, what's it called? There's no furniture to like offset the balance either. It feels weird to be in here by myself. It's gonna be fucking weird. It's gonna be weird moving out of my place and coming into this new place, but I'm excited. They're actually working outside because there's a lot of trees by me, and like one of the concerns moving in was like you have to trim the branches because like they could literally fall onto the house. And I'm like, yeah, I would like the branches to be trimmed. I would like that. Let's trim the trees, sweetie. Let's trim the branches, trim the bush, if you will. If you want, you know, you can be natural as well.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
But anyways, you guys, that is it for today's video of my little empty house tour. I hope you guys have fun watching it. I'm excited. I'm excited for the journey. And I will see you guys in my next video, which I have no idea when the fuck that's coming. No idea what it's gonna be either. Moving is so stressful and it's so hard and I get so stressed, but I think it's gonna go good. Have a good rest of the night or day, wherever you guys are, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. I love you.